Hey guys, let's see today how to remove stickers on iPhone keyboard on iOS 17 latest version. So guys, you can see over here, this is that place which I wanted to remove that one, because in your iPhone it will show here stickers. So which I don't want this place, so which I wanted to remove this place. I mean that stickers remove on iPhone keyboard. So for guys, it's very simple guys. So for in order to do that, just go to settings, and now from here, just go to settings, and okay, just try to find general. You can see over here, just tap on it, and okay, just try to find keyboard. You can see over here, just tap on it, and now guys, you can just try to come down, and you can see over here under the emoji section of stickers, it's turned on. Just tap to turn off guys. And now guys, again just go back from WhatsApp, and now guys, you can just tap on here, and now guys, here you go. Earlier it was showing with a blank like stickers, right? Now that place completely gone guys. So this way guys, you can remove stickers on your iPhone keyboard on latest iOS version. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.